Well, Mr. Carter, I'm going to be turning this presentation over to the one and only Antonio Santabanez.
All right, so far we've taken the old planks off, and the new planks that I've made and shaped are sitting over there. They're ready to be put on, but what I've got to do still is I have to take this butt block out and make a new one because there's some rot in it, and we don't want that to spread to any of the new wood that we're going to put on. And then there's a butt block here that needs to be made because the old one here was just entirely rotted out. It wasn't any good, so I've got to make a new one for here. And right here is where the planks will meet. We have cut out the rot in this shelf board here and put in new wood and epoxied it there so it does not come off. And so that I could get it out without ruining anything, I had to pick these bungs up here and pull out the screws so that I could apply that without any issues. And when I'm done with doweling all these old screw holes, that way there's something for the screws to bite to, and that so that the screws don't strip out while they're in here, I'm doweling the holes. And here, what else?
Which doweling the holes is put a piece of dowel rod in there,
Yeah.
and then we break it off and smooth it off, but we're gluing those in.
Yeah.
We're not doing it. Tony's doing all the work.
But yeah, that's where we're at right now. And when before I put the new planks on, I'm gonna mix some clear penetrating epoxy sealer, and I'm going to go across the whole rub rail, both the old and the new. That way we can have extra sealer on it. That way it's more rot resistant.
Yeah, if we missed anything in the surgery, we'll pick it up with the chemotherapy.
Yep.
All right. That's the update for today. Thank you.